I'm Dan Brisebois. I farm at Tourne-Sol Cooperative Farm outside of Montreal in Quebec. When I started farming, I didn't know anything about seeds, and there really weren't any resources out there written directly for market growers who wanted to grow seeds on their farm. So I had to learn a lot of stuff on my own. 20 years later, we have a bustling farm where we've integrated seed production into our market garden, where we also grow vegetable baskets for 500 weekly families. I want to see more farmers and gardeners growing their own seed. And to help them do that, I've been blogging about seed, I host the Seed Farmer podcast, and now I've written the Seed Farmer book. This book is written for all seed growers. Whether you're new to growing seed or whether you're an experienced seed person, there's something for you in this book. It is written from a market garden perspective, but there's still so much to learn for home gardeners and homesteaders. The Seed Farmer is broken into 3 parts. The first part is called Grow Your First Seed Crop. In this section, I encourage you to throw away all the seed rules about cross-pollination and genetics and all of that, and just focus on the experience of growing seed and learning from doing the work. I also walk you through how to choose what seed crops are good for your farm. Part 2 of the book is a series of crop profiles where I walk you through the easiest crops to grow seed on your farm or in your garden to the hardest crops. And in each crop profile, I show detailed pictures and explain the techniques of how to grow the crop to seed and then harvest it, extract the seed, and clean the seed. And then the third part of the book is about going further with your seed work and how to get better at seed cleaning, how to steward varieties, how to breed new varieties, and maybe even sell seed if that's what you want to do. No matter where you are in your seed growing journey, the Seed Farmer book has something for you. If you want to grow vegetables and flowers from seed that you harvested yourself and better adapt your varieties to your growing conditions, you're going to love this book.